A lot of these families have been coming here for such a long time that now we have newborns and then we have 15-year-olds and 5-year-olds. So it's more of a family-based practice where we look more at them as a whole instead of the teeth and everything like that. So
yeah, I'm enjoying working here with doctor, and the team is awesome, and the kids are genius. They make my day every day.
the dynamic here in the office is more like family oriented. It's not a business we're trying to run, where it's more of like we know the families, we know the kids.
We operate as a team. We're a very tight-knit group of people.
It's nice work with the kids. They make you laugh and cry at the same time. It's really nice. It's good. You feel good helping them. You know?
The doctor really takes care of the patients. She acts like they're her same family, and it's very closely knit with the patients. She knows all about the patients, all about their background, and all about their life.
It's not just looking at the patient, leaving and coming in and leaving. It's like you gotta sit down, get to know them, get to know where everything is coming from. You know, we have kids that have really bad decay. You know, we get to know where the problem is coming from, not just like, okay, decay, we gotta fix it, come back later, and that's it.
Most of our patients are repeat patients, and I know them and they know me.
Because when I started, they were just being born, and now they're going into first grade. So seeing them learn and grow is very rewarding, and seeing them progress in their oral care is a plus.
And I've even seen some now in college, kids that started off maybe 5 years old or even younger, 1-year-old, so of all ages.
We've worked with the kids for quite a bit. I know the girls in the back are wonderful with them. And we make them to where they're very relaxed and comfortable. And I think that's why we have people from all over town driving here.
Dr. Secola is just very knowledgeable and very friendly, kind, compassionate, and my kids have just always loved it. Which there's something to be said for that, because it's a dentist and not everybody always wants to come to the dentist, so it's good.
Yeah, they like here, we like here. The
people
ladies,
are nice.
the people, the place, so clean every day that we come. Everything is...
They tell us, is it when they do something to their mouth, they're like, is it hurting, is it nice or anything before they poke you on.
We love coming here because the dentist is a sweetheart. She makes me feel loved and appreciated and heard, and I feel like she cares about my family and my kids, and I love the Alma and Maria, their names, they're so sweet, and all of the girls that work here, they're just fabulous.
I like coming here because they're always nice to us.
And the staff is always very friendly too, and takes good care of us.
And they don't hurt us, our teeth or anything.
Like they remind you about your appointment, because sometimes you forget it, and they call you 1 day or 2 days before and say, don't forget your appointment. And I said, that's great, because if you don't call me, I will forget about the appointment.
Absolutely. We have had patients that have been with us from their first birthday, basically. The American Academy of Pediatrics and the American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry have emphasized for over several years now the need for the first dental visit around age of 1. So many of these patients continue to grow with us, and some started not necessarily at 1 but at 3, and many of them are going to college, some of them have graduated, some of them have got married, some have their own children. They're coming back to to the office, and it has been delightful to see them grow and try to educate them and decrease the risk for caries, developing caries and things like that. It's important. Once we past the stage of acute care or even extensive restorative care, maintaining them and educating them and continuing dental health throughout their lives, we're tring to incorporate habits that would last them a lifetime.